Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Today I'm going to make another quick but drool-worthy crock pot recipe. Today I'm making loaded potato soup. First add 32 ounces of chicken broth to the crock pot. Then a half a stick of butter. I've washed and peeled 6 medium-sized potatoes and I'm just slicing those up, and I'm going to place those in the crock pot. And you can also add onions, celery, whatever else you want to season it with. I'm leaving it like this because I'm sharing it with family and we have some people who don't like certain things. So I just leave it as plain as possible. I sprinkle a little salt, some onion powder, and garlic powder over the potatoes. Stir and place the lid on the crock pot. And I'm going to cook this on low for about 6 to 8 hours. You just need to cook it until the potatoes are tender. And you can also cook it on high if you want it to be done quicker. After the potatoes are tender, then mix together 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and about 8 ounces of sour cream. And I'm not measuring this, I'm just estimating. Pour it into the crock pot and let it cook for another 30 minutes to 1 hour. If it's not thick enough after 30 minutes, just mix a little more cornstarch with water and pour it into the soup. Once it looks thick enough for you, then top it with cheese and bacon bits and enjoy. This is really delicious this time of year in this cold weather, and you can also freeze the leftovers for later. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas.